This is tree onion or walking onion. It is a cold-hardy perennial to zones 3 to 10. You can harvest the foliage and use them like you would with scallions or green onion. You can also harvest the top sets that produce these tiny onions. You can also harvest some of the underground bulbs, but leave some in the ground so they can reproduce for you. They will self-propagate when these top sets fall to the ground. The mature plants will also multiply. Plant them once and they will produce for many years. Happy gardening!